Hi guys, hope everyone is well. This is revision lesson number 3 and last one. I think you'll all be happy to know that. So another lot of exam questions today. This is the last lot. This will be the last exam question we'll be doing for a few weeks. So enjoy it, do your best, try your hardest, okay? So the things I'd like you to spend time on today are more theory based, because really the exam would be heavily linked to theory. Okay, so describing biological theories of crime. Remember, we have 4. We've got the 2 physiological ones, so Lombroso and Sheldon, and then your genetic ones, all about the family, adoption studies, and then your XYY. Also, describe individualistic theories of crime, so social learning theory, Isaac's personality theory, Freud's psychodynamic, and Bowlby's maternal deprivation hypothesis. Okay, and then lastly, evaluate the effectiveness of criminological theories to explain the cause of crime. Basically, psychodynamic evaluation, massive hint for you. Okay, so spend a bit of time doing this. You need to know these theories and this evaluation in detail. These questions are bigger. Okay, so spend at least 30 minutes, get these done. Remember, terminology is so important, isn't it? Once you're ready, or you think you are, crack on. Okay, so the questions are quite standard questions. First one, describe one physiological theory of crime. One physiological theory of crime. That is all I'm going to say as your hint. Okay, remember, use terminology. You don't need to apply here, it doesn't ask you to apply. Okay, question B. Analyse one genetic theory of crime that may account for the behaviour in the scenario. Okay, so remember how to do these. Describe the theory, apply it to the scenario. Describe the theory, apply it to the scenario. Do it at least twice, but really go to town. 7-mark art question. This is big. Okay, so lots of theory, lots of application. Chuck it all in there. Directly quote from the scenario, please. Also, this is kind of like the same question as the one before, but a little bit less. So with reference to Jimmy's case, describe one individual theory of crime. Okay, so I think in the scenarios, all your 3 answers will be easily worked out which ones are the best ones to do. Okay, so that's going to be a really good test of your knowledge. And then lastly, the hard one, the differentiator, is evaluate the psychodynamic theory. So again, think your P paragraph. So what is the strength or weakness? Explain it. Tell me why it's good or bad. If you want to link it to anything, you can. Okay, you need to do at least 3 points here. So like 2 strengths, 1 weakness. Or with it being Freud, maybe 1 strength and like 55,000 million squillion weaknesses. Okay, try and write fully here. Okay, so you have 35 minutes as normal. Just add it to the 3 that you've already done. Okay, you'll see why at the end. Okay, so take your 35 minutes. Here you go. Good luck. Okay, so same as, please try and mark these yourselves. What have you done correct? What could you improve on? Give yourself a score. So, as always, same thing here, specialist vocabulary in detail. So, one physiological theory of crime. So, you can only talk about Sheldon or Lombroso. The study talks about physical features of the face. So, hopefully, you've been drawn to talking about Lombroso. Didn't have to, but it's the one that's like crying out for. So, I'm looking for terms atavistic. Okay. The actual descriptions of the facial features and what crimes it links to. Where's he got this idea from? Okay, there's quite a bit here on the theory, so we'll see. If you've done Sheldon, it's fine. Just talk about the body types and how they all link to crime. Okay. The B, so genetic hit. They're talking about XYY in the scenario, so you must have talked about it. Hopefully, maybe, hopefully, yes. So tell me a theory in as much detail as you get. How do we get genes? Tell me about X, Y, Y. What does it cause? What do we know about it? And then link it to Jimmy by saying he has an X or Y chromosome. Okay, so I'm looking for loads of theory here. Next one individualistic theory of crime. Hopefully you talked about social learning theory. It's the easiest one here, about his stuff about his childhood and his friends. So that's the one I would have done, remembering, modelling, imitation, role models, 3 key terms linked here. So hopefully you've done that. But again, look at the mark scheme, give me one theory and link it to Jimmy. And then for your psychodynamic theory evaluation, I'll be looking at how good your evaluation is. So I know this is hard to kind of do yourself, but were you able to write at least 3 things? Can you explain them? Okay, if you tell me why they're good, why it's bad. Okay, if you get 5 or 6 or more here, I'd be pretty happy. Amazing if you can push further, but we'll kind of check that. Okay, so finish marking. Okay, so as normal, please set this. So please upload this on Teams. So what I'd like you to do now is upload all 3 onto Teams. But can you please tell me which one you would like me to mark? Would you like me to mark the first one you did, so revision lesson 1, revision lesson 2, or revision lesson 3? So I'm going to mark one of these and give you the feedback link to that. So you tell me which one you'd like me to mark. I don't mind. They're all the same. They came from the exam 2 years ago. Your choice. Okay, so make sure you tell me which one, otherwise I'm just going to go, which one you want me to mark? Okay, so get that done. The quicker you get it in, the quicker I mark it. Okay, one more slide. Woo, that is it. Unit 2 done. So this is where anyone leaving the course, you are done now. Congratulations, it's been a pleasure. Hopefully I will see you when we go back, but we'll find out. Okay, so good luck with everyone. Those of you who are staying with me for the next wee while. Okay, so we're starting Unit 3 next week. It's just like Unit 1. Okay, it's a controlled assessment. Who knows when that's going to be happening now? Okay, because we will be ready for it October, November time, when normally we're not ready until Christmas time. Okay, so get a folder. Okay, we need 12 sections. There's 11 criteria, and we'll do the assessed work after every one. I know most of you are going to do this electronically to start with, but remember we have to print it out eventually. Okay. I will send the booklet. I'll be honest, the booklet isn't loads of use because the booklet would be too big. So we've got all the criteria linked and help and stuff, and it's a lot better for the criteria we'll be doing in about 4 or 5 weeks time after half term. Okay. So this is a harder unit, guys. This is a lot more evaluative. It requires you to do a lot more research than some of you have been used to. Okay, so you'll get the hang of it. You'll pick it up. You know I'm always here for you. Yeah, so Monday we'll crack on with AC 1.1. Exciting. So look forward to seeing your work. I'll get that back to you as quick as I can, and speak to you on next week. Okay, thanks guys. Have fun. Bye.